Thanks. My name is Mark Cowley. I'm an independent project management and energy transition consultant. And I do some consulting for companies about how to set up and run their projects successfully. My background is in EPC. I actually worked for EPC companies most of my life, so that's how I got involved with this conference. And I'm actually the chairman of the conference, so I've been chairing the conference. I've been an independent consultant now for nearly a year. I have some clients in Europe and also in the Middle East. I'm based out of Dubai. And I have 30 years of project management experience, up to and including some mega projects, multi-billion-dollar projects. And I've worked in 9 different countries around the world.
A lot of experience.
Yes,
Wow.
yes, indeed.
And what was the main reason for you to visit this event?
Well, I was the chairman last year, and I was also invited back to speak and also chair the meeting. And my presentation will be after this.
After this one, okay. So I have to ask you to come back maybe after the presentation. I will ask the people how they think about the presentation, but it probably will be fine.
Sure.
You already met some interesting people?
Yes, yes. I mean, I think this conference, I like this conference because I think it's a good meeting place for our industry, and a lot of people come. And, we have a good mix of different types of people from the industry. Some clients, some contractors, some consultants like me, some suppliers. We had an interesting presentation, for example, this morning on green hydrogen from a supplier. And we talk about some, interesting and challenging topics in the industry. So I do like this conference very much, and so I'm happy to come back many times.
Yeah, great, of course. And what do you think about the venue?
Yes, I think it's a good venue for this event. We were here last year for the first time, and I think it's the right venue for us.
Easy to reach?
Yes. Well, from Dubai, it's quite a long. It's quite a long flight, but
from Schiphol is kind of easy.
Yes, yes,
right?
yes.
And you're near the city.
Yeah.
Near Amsterdam.
Yeah. So, I think it's perfect for this conference, and we'll see what feedback we get after the event from participants. But from my perspective, it's going well, and I think we've had some interesting presentations so far, and looking forward to the next couple of days.
Your expectations?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. Well, thank you so much for this interview, for your time, and good luck.
Thank you.